Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're doing a quick review on NEWMODE.AI. Now NEWMODE.AI is an AI that works tirelessly to create personalized experience that convert more visitors into customers. There are different steps you can take, but the first step you need to take is to connect your account. Link your Google Analytics and Google Ads account to import your traffic and campaign data. Then to import and analyze the data. So once the AI analyzes the traffic sources and visitors' behavior, it will identify optimization opportunities. Then, based on the analysis, the AI creates custom landing pages for each traffic source. And then the AI runs thousands of A/B tests to refine and improve each landing page over time. So it's as simple as that. Now, why was this built? Every visitor to your website is unique. So someone who comes from a Google ad targeting competitor keywords is different from someone who visited from a news article. So by creating a unique copy for each traffic source and iterating thousands of times, it would have been impossible. So the AI can work continuously over many days through thousands of small feedback loops until the traffic that converts most is found. So by using NEWMODE.AI, you increase conversion rate by up to 189%, create personalized experience for every traffic source. You have no more need for manual A/B testing or copywriting. It works 24/7 to continuously optimize your pages. It is to set up with your existing Google account, and no technical skills required to create personalized pages. So it's as simple as that. Those are the features, the benefits, and every other thing you need to do. So what are you waiting for? You can watch the demo today or get started for free. Is it for free? Let's find out. I don't think they have a free trial. You have to put your work email, then register. So register today and get